Bro, why do we open the fridge like
It's a loot box.
I'll open it, stare for 5 seconds, close it, walk away, then come back like it reset. Like, yeah, bro, in the last 12 seconds, a full lasagna definitely spawned in here. My brain really goes, check again, maybe food updated, and I already know what's in there. Milk that's on life support, leftovers from a meal I no longer emotionally connect with, and that one sauce I bought for one recipe in 2019. I'll open it at 2 a.m. like I'm brave. Light hits my face, still nothing. I'm offended, personally. Then I close it like, wow, this fridge is useless, as if it did something wrong. And the worst part? I'll open it again 5 minutes later. Because maybe this time, the fridge understands me.